fluid. I've bench bled this once already, and I've let it sit, so any air that's in the cylinder can still collect together, so it's in a nice bubble instead of being spread as all little teeny, although I can still see a few little tiny bubbles in that tube there. Nice blunt Phillips screwdriver, gentle pressure. I'm going to depress. Oh yeah, I can see little bubbles moving. There's some more coming right there. We'll hold that at the bottom for a second. Slowly let it back out. That looked really good. I'm going to give it 2 more pumps. That's really good. And 1 more pump. And now I'm going to let it sit for several more minutes. Same thing, let the bubbles coagulate. And then I think we're good to go. Put this grill on the truck. All right, we are ready for our install again. You can see that plugs were put back in this just to transport it and keep it solid with fluid now that it's bench bled. So let's slip this fella into place. And that was easy. We'll snug those up before we're done. Okay, now we have a little bit of a messy job to do here. Just see if I can get these plugs undone. We want to be reasonably quick here, but I'm not worried about leaking fluid. Actually, I want the fluid to leak a little bit. With the cap on, it barely leaks at all. If I let air into the system, you'll see it will start leaking just like that immediately. These lines are already full of fluid, so it's just going to be a matter of pumping that last little bit of air out to the wheel cylinders. This next joint, though, has been, oops, it's probably a small one, has had the use of good old vice grips to get it on and off. So I suspect it's not going to be as easy to tighten back up again, but we'll see. We got a little bit of fluid leak in there. Yeah, that wrench is slipping. Unfortunately, this is going to have to continue to be a vice grip and final tighten. Okay, well now we have to bleed all the wheels again.